Real estate development in Nigeria is a lucrative venture, but it is not without its legal challenges. Hi, I'm by name Charles Chukwuma Walker, Esquire, a property lawyer with extensive experience in navigating the complexity of real estate law. In today's video, I will be exploring the key legal issues developers face. Are you a property developer and you have been having issues, or you've been wondering about one or two things that will be a very much concern to you? This video is for you. Whether it's from land acquisition or dispute resolution or regulatory compliances, you are going to get insightful idea on what you need to do. My topic on this video is legal challenges in real estate development. So if you're a seasoned investor, a real estate developer, or you wish to or desire to start real estate business, stay tuned to the end of this video so that you will learn a lot about the legal challenges that you may likely face in real estate development in Nigeria. If you are involved in real estate or planning to start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you get more of this video. Don't also forget to click on the notification button to get notification anytime I drop a video, because I always drop more valuable insights to help you stay ahead of the industry. Let's get started. What have you been wondering? Likely challenges a real estate developer will face while starting a property. You are thinking all these things. Very important that you know that any slight mistake you make may be very costly when it comes to real estate business. So you can't afford to make that mistake. And one of the ways to avoid making such mistake is by watching this video. And I'll walk you through. You know all these things. Please take note that real estate development is a very rewarding venture, but it's always come with significant legal challenges that can drain your project if not properly managed. Navigating these challenges require a solid understanding of real estate laws and expert guidance. Note that we at Chairman Properties is what we do. We ensure our clients are equipped to address these complexities. And here I will walk you through overview of the common legal challenges in real estate development and how you can overcome them. Have you been wondering all this thing? I will teach you how to avoid them. Based on my practice as a property lawyer, at least I started my property practice as an estate agent, local estate agent. And I got to a level, I decided to go to law school. And I started practicing law. And I decided to focus on real estate and transactional practice. Please take note. I want to walk you through all these common challenges that a real estate developer will always face, and it will help you. Number one is land acquisition issue. Acquiring land is the first step in real estate development, but it can be fraught with so many challenges, such as ownership dispute, boundary dispute, multiple claims on a single property. Sometimes they will say to 3 persons. They will start lack of a clear ownership documentation. All these things are an issue. Encumbrances like legal mortgage, liens, charges over a property, and as well as government acquisition. Sometimes government will acquire land you may not know if you don't do due diligence. or the land will fall within the setback of highway, power line, gas line, high tension cable. There always a setback. You need to know all those things, and as well as under in a wrong zoning area. Conducting a thorough due diligence search is very important to avoid all these things. Ensure you engage a property lawyer to verify ownership and resolve all these disputes. It's very important. A property lawyer will help you. When you are thinking of real estate development, if you don't want to have a challenge, you just have a property lawyer by your side. A property lawyer knows how to navigate all the complexity of the legal issues. So very important, take note. Number 2, regulatory compliance. A real estate project must comply with the zoning law. Take note, otherwise demolition order will come, and the next thing you see, they will demolish your property. Building codes are very important. Environmental regulations, like some places that require environmental impact assessment, you need to know about it. Non-compliance can result to fine, demolition order, and project delay. Take note of that. Don't make that mistake to jump into real estate development without complying with all the regulatory laws. Take note, it's very important. Obtaining necessary approval, including building permits, environmental impact assessment, and development consent, is very important. You need to consult with legal and planning professionals to ensure adherence with these regulations. You won't know it all. Engage a lawyer that knows about land use act, zoning laws, planning laws. All these things are very important. We will guide you so that you don't start without getting all these compliances. It's very important. That's what we do for clients. So for years of it, some people will start building projects. They won't do any documentation. The next thing you see, fiscal planning, they will come. Like Lagos State, LASPA, LAPCA, they will show. Start marking, you start settling. You could go steps to settle tire until you finish. Please, I will advise you to do the needful. The number 3 of legal challenges in real estate development in Nigeria: documentation and contractual issues. Documentation and contractual issues. Please take notes. Development projects involve multiple contracts. Take note, including sales agreements, joint venture agreement, construction contracts. Poorly drafted or ambiguous contract can lead to disputes. Working with an experienced real estate lawyer to draft and review all contracts and clearly define roles and responsibilities and terms of payment in the agreement can prevent such issues. Why do you want to waste your time? Why do you want to entangle yourself with those issues? It's not nice. You need to do the needful. The number 4 is financing and taxation challenges. Securing funding for real estate projects often involve dealing with loan defaults and tax obligations like capital gain tax, stamp duty, and VAT. Developing a comprehensive financial plan, ensuring transparency in loan agreements, and also consulting tax experts effectively manage these challenges. Take notes. You can only effectively manage these challenges by engaging experts. You don't need tax consultants are very important. Take note of that. Having someone to teach you or guide you on all these taxes, capital gain tax, stamp duty tax, VAT, and also as well as land use charge. Don't underrate anyone, whether they will come now or then. Make sure you do the needful. And securing loan is very difficult because collateral, because most bank will make sure that collateral, they get it to the root. And if it doesn't have a good title, you cannot be able to get it. You can be able to secure a loan for property if that property you are buying has a good title. Bank will always use that as a mortgage security. Please take note of that. It's very important. You need to plan yourself so that you know how the property will need to be financed. Financing and taxation challenges are things that only expert can help you to solve. You can't solve it by yourself. Don't use common sense. Use expert sense, expert opinion. That's my best advice. The fifth legal challenges in real estate development is community and stakeholder dispute. If you buy property where they're having community disputes, sorry is your name. I don't wish that to happen to you, because community disputes used to last for 20-30 years. Do you know that? 30 years case. Go to my village, you see land. They say this one. They have been doing that case since I was born. How many years am I? I don't want to tell you my age. Real estate investment often impact local communities, leading to resistance and dispute. You see them on moneyless. They will come out with their boys. Guy, no, this and that. Issue may include land ownership claims. One family or the other claiming ownership. This one say we are the owner of the property. This one say we the owner of the property. They are from the same family. Segmentations. Please take note of that. Very important. Traditional leaders, complaints everywhere. You see it in Lagos, you see it in Abuja, you see it in the East. Every part. Engaging with local stakeholders earlier in the project and addressing issues through community consultation is very important. Engage the community leader whenever you want to buy. The king of that community knows the family that owns that land. He knows how to settle it. The worst will happen. You will summon them and bring them together and settle them. Don't overlook all those things and feel that you are clever and you are sharp. Let over cleverness or smartness not lead you to challenges that you will not come out. Please take note of that. The next is delay in project approval. That one, wahala, Lagos State, Abuja, all those top cities, even Ogun State, to secure project approval. Maybe you obtain a loan to develop a property. Before you know it, approval has taken 1 year. You pay interest for 1 year. Think about it. You need to secure. You need to know how to get your way out. That's the only what I tell people. Don't think you do it by yourself. Engage professionals. Professionals will know how you used to get approval. If we tell you how we used to get secure approval self, you say, nah, wow. We'll do everything possible to get it. Yes, you must comply. Whatever we spend is money. We'll guide you. Please take note of that. Obtaining government approval and permit can be time consuming. Hey! You will feel the pain when you are saying, they say, no, you need to bring this, you need to bring that, you need to do that. So this may lead to project delay. So familiarizing yourself with this approval process and required documentation is very important. So you get the document on time, give it to your lawyer, give it to your agent, whoever you hire to process that. So hiring experienced professional can help you to mitigate the delays. It's very important. Don't waste time. Don't make mistake by trying to do it yourself. Number 7 of legal challenges in real estate development is environmental and sustainability concern. Environmental laws require developers to minimize their project's ecological system and impacts on the community. So failure to comply with this can lead to penalties and project shutdown. They will shut your property down. So conducting an environmental impact assessment and implementing sustainable building practice can ensure compliance. Please take note of that. Don't underestimate this power of environmental impact assessment. You need to, especially when you are doing a commercial project. It's very important because they will look at the population, the density, they look at the impact of that, they look at population, all these things. There are a lot of factors they will consider before they issue that certificate. The next one you need to know, legal challenges in real estate development in Nigeria, labor and construction disputes. Conflict with contractors, hey, fear God o. Workers, you see artisans, suppliers, fear them. All these things can result to delay during the construction, and during this construction it's also all those payment failure, payment delay, or substandard work. If you don't monitor them well, they will mess you up. And sometimes if you don't pay professionals well, engineers, the ones structural engineers, architectural builders, building engineers, they will compromise standard, the building will collapse. They will stain your name. Please make sure you engage professionals, pay them well. I'm always an advocate of pay your professionals well. Don't just be thinking that their money is too much. There is always a scale of fee. Pay the reasonable fee. If you engage a lawyer, you can go and check the scale of fee for legal practitioner, pay them. If you engage a sales lawyers and brokers, check their scale of fee, pay them. If you engage in building engineers, check their scale of fee. Every professional always have their scale of fee published. You can check, pay them reasonable fee, or ask question. Don't be feeling that it's too much, because if you pay them small, some of them that does not have conscience, they will compromise. My dear, you don't finish with that. So enforceable contracts for all construction related agreements and regularly monitoring the project progress and qualities are very essential, and it will make you to avoid all dispute, construction dispute. When somebody go and make mistake and fall down, it's on your head. You will start making wahala, labor. They will go and sue you to court, start claiming damage. When somebody make mistake, he doesn't know how to operate tractor or most of the equipment, he will tell you he knows how to do it, he knows how to do it. You give the person job, he enter there, hand don cut. My dear, you don't enter be there too. You need to shine your eyes, you need to be wise. Supervision is very important to avoid all these labor and construction disputes. You need to do that to mitigate the challenges. The next one is changing government policies. Government changes policy anyhow. Changes in government policy such as zoning regulation or property taxes can impact ongoing projects. As you plan am, no be so e go be again. You understand me? So you need to consider all these things. Very important. Staying up to date with the policy changes through legal counsel or real estate associations like this one. They have Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria. All this is stay in tune with them. It will guide you as a proper developer. Don't be an island. Join them. So all these things will help you in navigating the complexity. Read that is very important for you, for anyone that want to become a proper developer. Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria. Join them. Look for the chapter closer to you. Join them, affiliate with them, and start doing whatever they are doing. It's very important. Dispute resolution. Legal dispute can arise from building projects. It can arise from any stage. Development, whether in fact, even after buying the land, it can start from there. Maybe when the building is going on. Some people will keep quiet and fold their hand like this. They'll be watching you. The building is rising. When it rises to some level, they'll go and file action in court and obtain injunction to stop you. What will you do? You now go and they will now bring out case, nonsense case against you. They will delay your project. You will start settling. Please make sure you do the needful. Engage professional. Engage a property lawyer. If you don't know how to do that, go to the internet and type property lawyers in Nigeria. Property lawyers near me. Write it. You will see it. I'm a very blunt person. I will tell you the truth. Don't make mistake. So please, when wahala burst, they want to start dispute with you. Please look for alternative dispute resolution. engage mediators, arbitrators to reconcile the issues. So I will not advise you to go to court. Court is not a better place to find redress these days. We don't know what is going on. Delays is not a better place, but it's a last resort when you don't have choice. Once you don't have choice, you have to go to court because it's compulsory. If you try other way, but make sure you try. Don't be the first to rush to go to court. I will sue you. My dear, if you know what is going inside court there, you will even say, please. Sometimes we used to go and beg. Me personally, I don't know about anybody. I will beg my brother, calm down, don't worry. We'll talk. Use strategy and get results. Please, using alternative dispute resolution methods like mediation, arbitration is very much engaging. It's very much important. Experienced litigators are also very good in that. They know what you can do to avoid a long-term litigation. So please take note of that. Avoid dispute resolution. Don't jump into property like that. Please take note of that. And in my conclusion, navigating legal challenges in real estate development requires diligence, expertise, and proactive management. Please take note of that. And that's why I told you, at Chairman Properties, we specializes in providing legal strategic support to help you overcome these challenges and achieve your development goals. Please, for your professional guidance on your real estate project, please make sure you drop your question on the comment section. And if you want to read more about this, a comprehensive article on this, please go to our website www.chairmanproperties.com. I've decided to make these insightful videos to help Nigerians, most especially those in diaspora who doesn't know how to go about it, those that want to invest in real estate, those that want to become a property developers. At least by virtue of my practice, I'm a lawyer to so many property developers, and I use that opportunity to gather more experience, and most of the experience that I've gathered is what I'm using to make these contents out there to educate you. Please don't make mistake. Engage professionals. Engage professionals. You see lawyers, you don't joke with them. You see estate surveyors and valuers, don't joke with them. They will help you to evaluate your property. You see engineers, building engineers, architects, engage professional, please. Land surveyors, please engage them as a property developer. Have them, maintain them, have a retainership agreement with them. Anytime you have transaction, you just call the person. Take them as your partners. It's very important. With that now, once you are going, they are following you. Please take note. Don't make mistake. And I want to encourage you. If you are watching me for the first time, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social media channels. And also, don't forget to click on the notification button to get notification anytime I drop a video. And don't forget to share this. Share my video to any audience, to anyone of your choice, or your platform you belong. This video is going to guide some people. It's going to enlighten others on what they need to do, especially property developers out there. Most property developers did not study it. They just grab it with strong eyes. So, and with these videos will be guiding them. That's why I decided to be making these videos to enlighten them. So please don't forget to share this video, and don't forget also to click on the like button to like what I'm doing if it interests you and if you feel that it's good. But if you feel that it's not good, you can move on. But let's watch the video and apply it. Use wisdom. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be very powerful and insightful. See you in my next video.